Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to visit photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various new plans and payment policies. Already you can do so through the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.